Alright, so real quick, what I had to check is, I noticed that there are notches. I'm guessing that they're drain notches more than anything else, because I figure the oil is going to be pretty well slung everywhere. But there are notches on each one of these wells where the springs go, and there's a notch on each one of the buckets. I checked the manual. Did not say to orient it a particular way, so I checked online, and AI said it didn't matter. And then I found a video where someone seems to have carefully oriented each one of them to the notch. And you know what? I'm thinking if AI is correct, which it's usually not, then me doing this is harmless. I have a feeling, though, that this is supposed to be aligned this way, and maybe it has more to do with the initial break-in period, which won't apply here because these buckets are covered in old oil. I mean, I didn't like scrub them and soak them in solvent or anything like that, so you know that it probably won't apply. But in any case, this is what I'm doing. Yeah, it might be a waste of attention, but it's not a big one. I'm getting cat hair in here. That'll help. Oh, hey, don't bind up. What the heck? There we go. Okay, it's constructed and cleaned, and a little tiny bit left I can get off of the edges. Clean this up a little bit. Oh, I gotta get the timing side a little bit. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's ready to go. Yeah, I'm really happy I didn't have to do anything to the face, to the exhaust face. I mean, between the two, it makes a lot more sense for the exhaust manifold to be out, which it was. So next is check the pistons again. Oh, you know what? I can do one thing here. Let's see. One, two, one. Okay, here's a one. Okay. Piston. This one is a 1. Now that I know what it means. Well, I actually still don't quite know. But I'm going to measure it. Now, one of the things about measuring the width of a circle with a caliper, clean that a little bit. Okay. One of the things is, if you go off the face, you got to figure out exactly where the center is. So what you do is you turn it much as you can and still pull the reading off the face. All right, looks like I'm getting 886. See how consistent that is. That's a 1. There's another 1. This is the one that shattered, though. Isn't that funny? That's a 1 and it's got a broken skirt. This is a 1 and it has broken ringland. Oops. Get on there. This one's saying 884. Alright. This is a 2. This will be a little easier because it'll stop on the rings. Alright, this one's also showing 884. Oh, but you know what I could do? What I probably should do, actually, is I'm going to take a ring, this one. I'll take this ring, and put this away before I lose anything. And drop it into the cylinder 2, for instance. Get a gauge in it, and then drop it into cylinder 3, because it's I think it was 2212 was the grading on the cylinders. So that'll tell me if there's a significant difference in cylinder bore size. If there is, I got to push that cylinder back out and check it. I feel like I checked. Oh, I checked them all on cylinder 1. I might have to break out my my bore mic, my bore measurement tool, whatever the thing's called. But I think this quick test will tell me if there's any actual appreciable difference between grade 1 and grade 2. Is there something that I really need to be careful about? Okay, don't break. All right. Yeah, sorry, I'm just gonna go run over and do this. Not record.